Hello, everyone. Nebulization. Why? What is nebulization about? Well, we can take homeopathics, which we created ourselves. I have cultivated these to allow you the opportunity to elevate and upgrade. Why do we nebulize? I have a cough, I nebulize. I have pain, I nebulize. I have respiratory issues of any kind, I nebulize. I have sinus issues, I can nebulize. If I have digestive issues, I can nebulize. If I feel emotional issues, I can nebulize. It just makes it simple and easy. And the thing is we all know we have supplement graveyards, right? And we have all these things that don't work. This always works. We've been doing this for 20 years in clinical practice, and now it's available virtually where anyone, anywhere can have, in the continental United States, can have our nebulization kits on the ready for you to help you upgrade. So we have the lymph, the immune system, for trauma, for gut issues, for the liver, for the lungs, all these different categories for you to be able to upgrade today. So, and because it's the Black Friday, Cyber Monday experience, you can get them for 50%. Going right there to that link and finding it, either in the LinkedIn tree in our Instagram or right here in this email. And you too can access your innate wisdom and get something that always works. Because the job that you're looking to do is on the inside, not on the outside. And this facilitates everything on the inside because that's how we actually heal. That's how Kelly Kennedy does it. That's how the lymphatic system works. That's how you work. And now you can work it. So, happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy healing for our family to yours. Enjoy.